What's up, guys? I'm with my bro right here, Jason, King Jason.
Hey.
Might have to start him on YouTube, I don't know. But so if you guys follow my Instagram or my TikTok, I got a new RC drift car yesterday, and it's the blue Mustang from Fast and Furious F9. My brother Jason got the same exact one today. We are gonna unbox that for you guys, and we're gonna do the full review, and we're gonna do video of it and see how it really works.
And make sure to go check out our last video that we did yesterday.
Yes, make sure to go check that out with the we did a
home run derby
for the Padres. Make sure you guys go check that out if you love baseball. But if you guys are here for this bad boy right here.
Yeah.
We got the Fast and Furious F9 down Toretto right there. I'm gonna unbox this for you guys. See if I can get a better angle for you guys.
And make sure, guys, if you want one of these, go to Target and you'll find one of these. Make sure that they have this so you can drift super good.
Yep. So I totally forgot to record an outro, but as you guys can see, this thing drifts great. There's not really a lot of complaints on this thing. I say 10 out of 10, perfect for the price. I don't know if you guys see these famous drift RC cars on TikTok or Instagram, like RC Drift Talk or something. He has all these crazy cars and he builds them, and they're really expensive. They're like $200 plus, and they drift great. But for $40, this thing drifts amazing, and you just can't beat it. It's at Walmart. I mean, I got this one at Target. They have other ones from the same company, JADA. You'll know it usually if it will drift if it has this controller. If it has a little two button one, it's probably not the ones that drift. And these ones are they're a little bigger than the average RC car, which is a little bit smaller than this. But at Walmart, they also online, I know for sure they have other options like the Skyline and I think the Supra, which is the next one I think I want to get is the Skyline. So to help me get that, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe for more content. If you guys are looking for one of the best RC cars for under $50, this one's definitely it. And drifting RC cars has endless capabilities. There's so much you can do with drift instead of just going straight and turning. So if y'all looking for a good cheaper end RC drift car, y'all check this out. Thank you guys for all the support. See you guys in the next one.